Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. We'll do a full update. To be honest, we didn't have a lot of movements in yesterday. It's the weekend. I mean, you can also see it with the volume. Volume right now is dropped down to $8.4 billion, which is quite low. I mean, if we compare that to the last month, that is practically the same volume we were at before we started that rally the 20th of June. So perhaps it's also somewhat of a bullish indicator. I don't think that's clear enough, just that the volume has dropped down low. I mean, basically what it means, if the volume is this low, is that the price is more easily manipulated. But that's not something I assume that will happen. At least not soon, perhaps tomorrow, but overall next week is again a pretty heavy week with economic fundamentals. So usually what you see is that then the market actually starts up a little bit more slowly because we have the inflation rate on Wednesday. And what you usually see is that then instead of on Monday that we get a lot of volume and movement into the markets, that actually it's rather on like Tuesday and Wednesday that we get some movement. But that's what we'll still have to see. I mean, the market circumstances are always difficult or different, I mean. And in this video, we'll just do a full update on what to expect. I slightly changed my expectations for Bitcoin since yesterday. Yesterday, what I said is that my main price target really was around like 32,400, and now I think it's a little bit higher. And I have my reasons for that, but we'll talk about that more in this video. Before we dive into Bitcoin though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, like you can see from the top, and receive daily updates on those signals, but also gain access to an exclusive chat room full of traders, then check out the links down in the description. But for now, let's get into Bitcoin. So overall, I would say that the market structure right now is still the same as yesterday. All right, we had a nice bullish move right here. You could see some sort of a bullish flag in this movement, so that you see the movement as something like this. That's a possibility, and it's not even wrong, but I would say it's more of a consolidation. So I think we're consolidating now between 31,400 and 29,700. And overall, I think it's still more likely that at some point of time we will break out of that. We will get a bullish breakout out of that consolidation, because a consolidation in the end, it always leads to a breakout. I think it's more likely to get a bullish breakout because of, first of all, market structure. If you zoom out to the daily, what you see is that we've always like made that one higher high after consolidating after the initial rally. So right here, initial rally, consolidation, higher high, rally, consolidation, higher high, rally, consolidation, higher high. Now, my price target yesterday was around 32,400. I think it's more likely that it will be between 34 and 35,000. First of all, there's more resistance there. And second of all, I think 32,400, if we're taking a look at that market structure, is not enough of a move, excuse me. Because if we break above 31,400, which I do expect, that's actually quite a big bullish breakout. And I would expect more from that bullish breakout than to just get up a couple of percentage points higher. But I think it's therefore more likely, that we will still probably find some resistance at 32,000 and 33,000 and 32,400, but only to take a break retest off of 31,400 to get up to our new top at 34.35. At this moment, I still think that's the most likely scenario. It is dependent on some fundamentals, like the inflation rate Wednesday, but we'll talk about that a little bit more later this week. And also obviously on the ETF, but yeah, that's something we cannot predict for now. I'll keep you updated on that, but for now, this is my take on Bitcoin. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.